Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been quite some time, but finally we are here. Thank you so much for joining me. So first thing first, I am starting my makeup with the eyebrows by drawing a thin line on the lower side of the eyebrow and then going ahead and doing the same on the upper side of the eyebrow. Next, I am filling in the eyebrow. At this point, try to make the outer side of the eyebrow a little bit dark and then go in and try to make the inside of the eyebrow lighter. This is to make sure the eyebrow looks as natural as possible. So this is how the eyebrow should look like when you're done filling in. Yeah, as natural as you can see. And next, now we are going to perfect the eyebrow using a Legal Pro Concealer. And then I'm gonna start by putting a little bit of my product on the lower side as I draw a very perfect line on the lower side, then go ahead and blend it and then do the same on the upper side. Normally I use a foundation to fill the upper side of the eyebrow, but today coincidentally I used a concealer. Let's see if it's gonna give me a hard time blending it. After that, I am using the same concealer on my lids as the eyeshadow base by tapping it on the lids, then going ahead and using a beauty blender to blend it for the eyeshadow. I'm using the Warrior 2 by Juvia's as my eyeshadow palette today. This maroon color is what we are going to start with by applying it lightly on the eyelids and then going in and blending it all over the eyelids softly. Next, I am using a different brush to tap and press on the eyelids. And then I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, still tapping and pressing in so that you prevent excess product from falling out to your face. That is preventing fallout. So this is how you're gonna be blending the eyeshadow so that you create a good transition from the maroon and the black eyeshadow. For the foundation, I am using Maybelline Super Stay. So I am blending now the foundation all over my facing using a beauty blender. I'm also gonna attach all the products that I used on the description box below so that you can find the places where to get some of the best products. This is me blending every part of the face. Blend the neck, the nose, the ears, and every part of it. Just make sure you blend and don't stop blending until the whole foundation is blended all over the face. Lol, did I say face? It's face. I'm still using the same concealer I used on the eyebrows to conceal the under eye, the nose, the forehead, and the chin. And after, I will use a beauty blender to blend the highlighted parts, being careful not to go beyond. As I have mentioned, just be careful to blend only the parts that you have highlighted so that you don't look like a clown and you go beyond the highlighted part. Next, I am using a dark Legal Pro Concealer to contour. When you want to know the right places to contour, think of the sun and the moon effect. On your face, the place where the light hits first is where you highlight, and then the place where you get the shadows after the light is where you contour. And these are the places we are contouring right now. Then just keep blending. In this case, blending will do the tapping motion. We do not drag because dragging is like you're trying to remove the product. So in this case, just tap on the products. It helps with increasing the consistency of the products on your face so that it doesn't fall out. So tapping is the best way to go. And this is how it looks like. See how it's blended so perfectly and smoothly. Adding a contour powder is optional if your concealer is perfect to your skin, but for myself this time around I decided to add some powder. I hardly ever use a setting powder, as most people do. Personally, I find it too tiresome to blend it, so in this case I just use a pressed powder. It's Fit Me to set my face. And then going in and using a bigger brush to wipe off the excess powder and any other excess product that you might have used. I added some blush using the same brush and then kept on wiping off the excess product. Some highlight for them cheeks to pop. And then to my most favorite part, a setting spray. This is a Legal setting spray. We use a setting spray to keep the products intact and stay a little longer. At the end of your makeup day, you'll still look fresh. Lastly, I am wiping off the lip balm that I had so that I can apply some lipsticks, and this time round we will be using 3 lipstick combo. So this is how I do the lipstick, by starting with a darker nude lipstick on the outer side of the lip, then blending it towards the inside of the lips. After that, I am using the lighter nude color for the inside of the lips, and then I'm gonna go in and try and blend them together. It's crazy, I hardly ever seem to avoid lip gloss. In this look, I wasn't supposed to use a lip gloss, but it looked really nice when I used it, so why not? And to finish with, I am putting an eyeliner on the waterline of my eyes, and then also adding some color on the lower part to make the eyes pop a little more. And guys, you don't know how proud I am for myself for being able to finish this video, and how thankful I am for you guys for keeping me company. Kindly share, subscribe, and turn on the bell so that you can be notified each time I post a video. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Mwah, bye bye.